Welcome back to another day of Junk Journal July for 2026. So let's grab our junk journals and our junk and a bit of food, scraps and packaging, and let's dive in today's prompt of food. I did collect some very specific food item for today's prompt, as I reminded myself of the fact that I had used that kind of packaging 2 years ago in my first ever Junk Journal July start. So I really loved to kind of have the throwback in a way, and it's this Kinder Bueno ice cream cone thing. No ad or anything. I just love Kinder Bueno so much, so now that's so hot. I just obsessed with the ice cream, and I did here. I will show you the spread I created in my first ever Junk Journal Challenge video. Here I did this little flower vase kind of thing out of the Kinder Bueno cup, and back then I had the normal Kinder Bueno ice cream, and here this time I have the Kinder Bueno white ice cream, so it will be a bit different. And I also set myself the challenge to do something different today and not just go with the little speech bubbles and just use something different. I will use obviously the little coin wrappers, as they kind of are perfect to do something with them, but I will make a completely different spread, and I decided to cut them in half so that I would have 4 pointy parts and not only 2, because I had something in mind that I wanted to create with it. You will see it very, very soon. And then I just cut around the Bueno to make a little quote to include in today's spread about life being bueno when you got some nice weather and ice cream, I guess. So yeah, absolutely no ad. That's just something I like. And I thought it would be funny to kind of recreate a spread. It's not like I didn't want to copy it and just do the same, but I really wanted to see what I could come up with that is totally different but uses kind of the same materials in a way. So I'm really, really happy about how today's spread turned out. So it worked out very well. How are you guys all doing? How is your Junk Journal July coming along so far? And what's your favorite ice cream? Can't wait to see all your beautiful creations for today's prompt. Sorry for the late upload again. Just a bit busy lately while creating this challenge, but I still wanted to make it and stick with it. So hopefully I will be faster with editing and creating the spread tomorrow, as we're coming to the weekend. We will see. I hope you're fine with seeing my videos so late. Sorry about that. And here I decided to make a little sun out of the pointy parts of the ice cream cone wrappers. And I decided to go in with a golden pen and just add some details. I first have to get it to work. It's quite an old one. And those lac and paint markers sometimes dry up or just need to be reactivated. And I decided to add some more spikes to the sun. But the like lacquer pen made it really, really hard. I had to fight it quite a lot. And then I did just blotches on the little paper and used the pen like a improvised paint brush in a way. Yeah, it was a bit of a pain, but I really liked the golden accents and I thought it would bring the page together in a way and just make the sun more obvious, so I decided to stay with it and fight a bit, and here also add a little face to the sun as well. Now let's also add a little scenery with this illustration of a girl from the picture book and kind of add another focal point to the other side of the spread. I felt it would be too empty with just the Bueno quote, and so I decided it needed something else, and I made it just a little hill for the wanderer to stand on in a way and just look off in the distance like she was going for a walk and then looks after the sun in a way. That was a scene I had in mind, and then I decided to add another kind of layer of book pages to have, like, when you look in the distance with landscapes, you always have those different kind of shapes and shades of mountains or so on, and I thought it would be fun to recreate that with different layers of different kind of book pages torn out in kind of landscape shapes in a way, and I think it turned out quite cute. I feel like also those neutral kind of beige, a bit yellow and golden kind of color mixture pulls the spread really well together. It gives it more of an art piece vibe than just some wrapping of food, I guess. So I'm really, really happy with how today's spread turned out. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's creative session. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy, and if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. Until tomorrow, happy creating, and see you in the next episode of Junk Journal July.